Is your car showing a steering lock warning light and refusing to start? Don't panic, I'll show you how to fix and reset it fast. Step 1. Check battery voltage. Check your car's battery voltage. A weak or low battery is one of the most common reasons this light comes on. Use a multimeter. Voltage should read between 12.4 to 12.8 volts when the engine is off. If the battery is weak, try jump starting the car or charging it fully. Step 2. Steering wheel wiggle trick. Try the classic steering wheel wiggle method. Insert the key or press the start button, but don't step on the brake. At the same time, gently turn the steering wheel left and right. Once you feel it unlock, try starting the car again. This trick manually releases the lock if it's jammed. Step 3. Check the fuse box. Steering lock fuses. If the light is still on, check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to steering lock. Immobilizer. Ignition system. Replace any blown fuse with one of the same amperage. Even a simple fuse failure can trigger the warning light. Step 4. Clean the ignition cylinder. If key ignition. For vehicles with a traditional key, the ignition cylinder may be dirty or worn. Use electrical contact cleaner and gently insert the key in and out a few times. Avoid using WD-40, it attracts dust. This helps restore smooth contact and proper lock recognition. Step 5. Reset the light without scanner. To reset the warning light without a scanner, turn the ignition to the on position but don't start the engine. Leave it in on for 2 minutes to let the system reinitialize. Turn off the ignition, wait 10 seconds, then try starting the car. This soft reset clears temporary steering lock faults on many vehicles. Step 6. Use OBD2 scanner if needed. If the light stays on after all these steps, you may need an OBD2 scanner. Plug it into your car's OBD port and check for codes related to steering angle sensor, immobilizer, ignition system. Clear the codes if no serious fault is detected. Even a budget scanner can do the trick. Bonus tips to avoid steering lock issues. Always turn the steering wheel straight before switching off the engine. Don't force the key in or out of the ignition. Replace a weak battery promptly. That's it. You've just learned how to fix and reset the steering wheel lock warning light on your dashboard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your car model or any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.